Yo guys, what's going on? I am George and this is You Wanna Watch. Welcome back to the shop and welcome back to another episode. Today we're going to be cleaning up 6 screwdrivers. 4 of them are Her brand, 2 of them are Dunlop. We're going to get these cleaned up and shipped off. So I say without any further ado, we jump right into it. Let's go. Alrighty guys, well, you want to jump into this one? These 4 are Her brand, and this is 2 Dunlops that I want to get cleaned up. And these are going to get shipped off to a couple of buddies of mine, so I say we jump right into this. We'll start on the shafts, get those cleaned up, and then we'll start polishing the handles. So, let's go. Alrighty guys, well, we got the shafts of these cleaned up pretty nice. Of course, the slotted ends all really need to be addressed on all 6 of them, to be honest with you. They're not in the best of shape, but we'll do that after we do the polishing of the handles. So what I want to do is use my number 7 polishing compound. I want to put a nice layer on all these, rub that in. That'll get most of the dirt and grime off there, and then we'll go over with a polish. So give me a second, I'll get set up, I'll get a glove on, and we'll get a rag. So hang on. Oh yeah, came out nice. That is a very pretty blue. And of course, you know, we still need to clean the slots on them. Slots are horrible. Alright, well, I don't know if the conditioning belt's going to do any good on this. I want to test it out real quick to see. The Dunlop screwdrivers came out pretty nice. Quite happy with that. But look how nasty the tips are on that. I don't know if that's showing up. I hope it is. There we go. I just saw it focus. Look at that. That's nasty, right? Hopefully the conditioning belt will fix it. So let's give it a shot. Well, that actually did clean it up a lot. That's pretty nice. That'll work. Cool. And there still is some paint caught up in the grooves of this handle. But like I said, all I'm doing is getting the farm funk off these, because these are just going to be gifts for somebody else to restore. So yeah, let's get the rest of these cleaned up. Alrighty guys, well, I think these cleaned up rather well for just a couple of minutes worth of work. The shafts are in a lot better shape. The tips are in a lot better shape. The handles came out fantastic with just that old number 7. They could definitely use some more polishing, and of course some buffing on the shafts, but you know, like I said, I'm just giving these to some buddies of mine, and let them clean them up, you know. I got the funk and the gunk off them, got them reprofiled for the most part. They're all viable users, and yeah, not bad. Alrighty guys, well, we are all done with the screwdrivers, the Dunlop screwdrivers. Let's talk about those first. The handles cleaned up fantastic, nice and translucent, you can see through them. The paint job's still good on the end. The shafts came out nice and silky smooth, and we even polished up the slotted tip for them. So the Dunlops came out fantastic. These are viable users, and I'm just going to ship those off to a buddy of mine. And the Herbrands, the blue handled Herbrands, they came out fantastic too. Again, we used number 7. It's polishing compound, but this stuff is more of a cleaner, I think, personally. But it came out fantastic. The shafts, again, silky smooth. The slotted tips, we polished those up, got those reground and looking good. So yeah, again, all viable users. So that's it for this one, guys. I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed it. Like always, stay safe, be safe. We will see you next week with another. Bye.